Hello. This is a very quick, unexpected video, but I heard that a market, a very famous market, Ataba, was destroyed a few days ago. The police went through and cleared everyone out and broke up stuff. I'm not really, they're building in this area, I guess. They're planning to build some kind of plaza, which looks boring. Now, I know this is actually not I don't want to say controversial topic, but some people are happy about this. I'm not one of them. I just love Ataba. I love it. Let's see if it's actually gone. It's still a busy area, but it's definitely a hell of a lot busier than it normally is. Can I get through here? I want to see what's happening in this area. Come on, car. You can let me through. I don't like these big ass tires. I mean, so there's still the market here. It's not what it was, perhaps. I don't know, man. Chill, bro. This is why some people don't like the market. It causes a lot of traffic because people on the street. And I guess if you live out here, maybe it would be annoying. But I mean, these people, that's how they make their money, right? Anyway, so I just figured I'd go cruise around this area and see if things are still here. It's definitely not desolate or empty. It is a Saturday, by the way, so it's pretty quiet. I heard Al Mosque was also, I just saw some videos and heard this through the grapevine. I guess everyone kind of knows about it now. It's a few days ago this happened. Well, there's still some life here, huh? Damn, I almost crashed into him. We're both just gunning it. Yeah, go around, bro. Woo! Haha! So I filmed here before, by the way, guys, but I walked through here because it's if you really want to show it, I think it's better to go for a stroll. But yep. Well, I would say like Ataba's not gone, but I've saw photos of what they plan to do with this area, and I don't know, like, is it gonna last? Are they gonna try to do this again? Yeah, Ataba looks like it's still here to me. And yalla. Oh, come on, bro. You're not even gonna. slipped. Come on, ladies. It's like feet down and scraping the whole time. Yeah, well, I mean, alright, this is definitely looking like Ataba's okay to me. Maybe it was just that first day and night because it was totally destroyed. This place is popping during Ramadan. I'll have to come back and film here maybe at night. Anyways, I think I'm good on this. Let's get out of here. I wanted to I can't get through there, but I wanted to. Gotta like constantly blow your horn over here. What is this fancy car doing over here? Get out of the way. I'm kidding, but doesn't it kind of look fancy? I don't know my cars. Okay. Well then, that was the video, guys. Just very quick. I wanted to check, and it seems like it's okay. Update for those that live in Egypt. This is how it looks right now. But, well, who knows what's to come, you know? Because if this is really their plan, they could easily keep doing this again and destroy it, you know? I hope not, though, because I love Ataba. I know, like I said, people are not gonna all agree with me. Some people are like, good, clean up the place. But yeah, for me, I'm just thinking like, I don't know. I was one of the first places that I went to when I arrived to Egypt. I love markets. I love crazy, chaotic places. It's so full of life and it's fun to walk through. I can relate with the downsides that people have to say, you know, about it. Like if you live there. Or you live right outside there, you know, maybe you're not loving it, having a crazy busy market outside your apartment every day. But yeah, it's just my feelings on it. That's how I like it. Can't help it. So yeah, it's one of the things that I fell in love with Egypt about early on. Ataba, you know, and they did take down Aisha Market, which so this was like, I was like, what? Ataba's gone, you know, in a night? During Ramadan, they just destroyed it. Aisha Market, I filmed a video there a long time ago, and it's not a video that everyone wants to watch because it's I mean, it's a local market, but it's also a big time animal market where they sell animals. Filmed that a long time ago, but yeah, they wiped down that area, the whole like Islamic era to City of the Dead area. So anyways, Ataba's still there from the looks of it, on a Saturday, you know, early afternoon. Sunday's video, or I don't know when I'm gonna even upload this, if I can upload it fast enough today. If not, nah, whatever. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ma salama.